Do you find yourself doing this? But you would rather do this? Well, if you would, this video is for you. Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Today's video is going to cover position play and how to easily get on the next shot. Many times players will snooker themselves by trying to execute the shot in an incorrect way. Well, today we're going to break down 3 shots and I'm going to show you the pitfalls as well as the successes to easily gain position. Once we've taken a look at these 3 shots, I'm going to also share with you a drill that's going to help you become a better position play player. I honestly think what I'm about to share with you today represents 33% of my position play skill set. Without further ado, let's get into it.
For shot number 1, we're shooting the key ball during an 8-ball rack. And there is the 8-ball. It's tucked behind 2 balls, and we only have 1 pocket, and that's in the corner to my right. So here I'm just playing top center, trying to get into that little window, and I come up short. I shoot it again, I make an adjustment, and I'm trying to bump this ball, but I bump it on the wrong side, and I'm snookered again. The correct way to shoot this is with inside spin 2 rails. So here we go. I'm going to go to the bottom cushion and then to the side rail and then flow into the shot line right into that window. It makes the shot so much easier. Now shot number 2 is along the rail, and a lot of players would draw this ball, but in this case you can see I snookered myself right away, and here I've run into the striped ball and I can't even shoot at my 8-ball. So the correct way to do it is with inside running spin, flow into the shot line, and we're perfect on the 8. Shot number 3. This one here is a little more advanced. Now here I've shot it with just draw, and then the next one is going to be with a stun follow. And you can see it's no good. So the correct way to shoot it is with inside stun follow. And once again, this is a little bit more advanced, but once you get the hang of it, it's a great shot to have in your arsenal. Now let's get into how we can efficiently pull off those shots. This drill right here is an absolute fantastic drill for inside running spin. Set it up by putting the 1, 2, 3, and 4 at the first diamond tight to the cushion. We're going to go 3 cushions to center table. This is a center table drill. It's also a continuation drill, so you're always going to be playing position for the next shot, even when you reposition all 4 balls. The reason this drill works so well is the cue ball is never in the same spot on every shot. Even though we're trying to gain center table, often we're a little short or a little long. Our angles are either steep or shallow, so we have to adjust. And this teaches us how to apply the spin. It comes in real handy when you're navigating through traffic. So this is just an exercise to get you familiar with how to aim and how to spin the cue ball to get it to come back to center table. Now that you've become proficient at shooting these balls tight to the cushion, move them out a half a ball and stay at the first diamond. Also shoot this as a continuation drill. I hope this was helpful for everyone. If you can add this to your arsenal, like I said early in the video, this is about 33% of my position play skill set. This will be of great help. Leave some questions and comments if you have them in the comments section below. I answer everyone. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.